आटा 22 रुपए लीटर, आज 40 रुपए लीटर.
A video clip of Rahul Gandhi has gone viral where he can be heard mistaken the unit for Atta. In the viral clip, Gandhi is saying Atta was 22 rupees per litre but today it is 40 rupees per litre. Multiple social media users have posted the viral clip of Rahul Gandhi and commented, "Since when is Atta is being sold in litres?" It is true that Rahul Gandhi has indeed in his speech did a blunder while comparing the prices of various commodities with earlier years. Gandhi indeed used litres as the unit for flour, but he immediately corrected himself. The viral video is incomplete as it shows the clipped version of his speech. In the middle of his speech, Rahul Gandhi began comparing the prices of a few essential commodities with their prices in 2014. Gandhi was listing out the prices of various commodities whose units were mostly in litres, and he did a mistake while calling out the unit for flour.
सरसों का तेल 90 रुपए लीटर, आज 200 रुपए लीटर. दूध 35 रुपए लीटर, आज 60 रुपए लीटर. आटा 22 रुपए लीटर, आज 40 रुपए लीटर केजी.
In the video, Gandhi said, "I have figures from 2014 when an LPG cylinder used to cost 410 rupees. Today it is 1050 rupees. Petrol was 70 rupees per litre. Today it is around 100 rupees per litre. Diesel was 55 rupees per litre. Today it is 90 rupees per litre. Mustard oil was 90 rupees per litre. Today it is 100 rupees per litre. Milk was 35 rupees per litre. Today it is 60 rupees per litre. Atta was 22 rupees per litre. Today it is 40 rupees per litre." Then immediately he corrected himself and said, "Oh, kgs." So, on one hand, you are being hit by unemployment. On the other hand, there is terrible inflation. But the viral clip does not show the portion where Rahul Gandhi rectifies his mistake. Hitting back at the former Congress president, BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra said that Gandhi doesn't know whether the flour is solid or liquid. He said that Gandhi was speaking on the topic of inflation and he converted flour into litres. He doesn't know whether potatoes grow above the ground or under. He doesn't know whether the flour is solid or liquid, but he speaks on every subject. Patra dubbed the Congress rally Parivar Bachao Andolan and said it was organized to save Gandhi family's existence. Patra also said that Rahul's speech was immature.